Thanks for tuning into Pro Street TV. Today we are showing you how to fix the P0075 engine code in a 3.5-litre VQ engine. The specific P0075 Nissan 350Z trouble code is related to the VTC module. The VTC module controls the variable timing control in your valve train. P0075 and P0081 are both check engine codes that have to do with the variable timing control solenoids in the VQ35DE. The VQ35DE variable timing control solenoids are located in front of the engine and mounted to the side of the cylinder head. It's connected by a 2-pin weatherproof green connector and is secured by 10mm bolts. Depending on your check engine code, you will need to replace either bank 1 or bank 0. Today we are replacing bank 1 or the passenger side VTC. Remove your engine cover and unplug your VTC. Next, remove the 10mm bolts that run through the solenoid. Once you have the solenoid removed, make sure to clean the surface properly before installing your replacement. Any questions? Check the guide in the description below. Thanks for watching.